maglalaro, kaya lang mainit daw po sa labas. Loko lang po. So, ang pangalan po ng ating game ay Ipakita Mo Game, wherein magtatanong po ako sa inyo ng mga bagay-bagay. Kung meron po kayo ng bagay na aming hinihingi, itaas lamang po ito ng mabilisan. Ang unang guest na makakapagtaas ng bagay na aming hinihingi ay siyang mananalo ng ating Cebu Pacific Kiddie Wallet. So once again, the name of our game is called the Show Me Game, wherein I will be asking for some items from you. If you do have the item, all you have to do is to raise it up. The first guest who can raise the item up will be our automatic winner. So if you understood the mechanics of our game, and if you want to join, can I ask for a thumbs up sign before we start? Come on, guest bound for Manila. How about guest at the back? Isang masigabong palakpakan na lang po, pampagana lang. Okay,